Here's another edition of my Mabuhay channel. Once again, my location is here in Spa Massage Center of Lea Pornea, Davao. It's in Banao Street, Block 7, Lot 4. So just in front of basketball court in Catalunan Pequeño, Wellspring, Pag-ibig Homes. This is Wellspring Phase 2. So come and experience the feel-good massage for your hands and oil wellness spa massage. For relaxation, renewal, remedy of your body, mind, and spirit. Home service by appointment. Contact number 0923-967-2916. 0923-967-2916. Just message my beautiful friend Leah Pornea, the famous therapist here in Davao City. And very affordable price. You can request for additional minutes or hours of massage as you like here. Actually, it will be more or less 1 hour or more than 1 hour the massage. Leah is also accepting home service on call anytime, as long as you are you will deal with the whatever is the service amount. As far as other countries, US, European countries, North, South America, Australia, Africa, she is accepting. But the condition is you are going to shoulder the transportation, the allowance, and of course the food. So what are you waiting for? Come now to Massage Center. Feel Good Lea Pornea's Feel Good Massage Center. Just near the highway. Okay, in the front, look, front view of this spa massage center. So this is it, my endorsement. Those who are nearby, Catalunan, Pequeño, Mintal, even Tugbok, Kalinan, Olas, or Matina, or anywhere, Davao, anywhere in the Philippines, come and avail now this feel-good massage, reflexology. You will be experiencing really once in a lifetime type exemplary commendable massage. So let's get inside. Okay, now is there is the client here, okay, and going on. So let's just have a view of the massage center here. Oh. Yes, we are friend of your. So come now and PM my good friend Leah Pornea for another experience. I just have mine a while ago. And it was really refreshing. Really feel good massage.
Dalikin ko lang kasi inaano ko. Naglokan ko. Malapit na.
So this is it, my coverage of my endorsement here in Davao City. Thank you everyone for joining me, my endorsement. Live and alive here in Spa Center, Lea Pornea's Massage Center. Mabuhay, magandang buhay. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Until my next vlog, don't forget to like, comment, share my Mabuhay YouTube channel, my reels, and my Facebook page and Facebook account. Mabuhay everyone. Thank you, Mabuhay and Mabuhayers. Until my next vlog. Mabuhay! Signing off. Retired teacher being Erlina being Basilio. Mabuhay everyone!